Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, we'll see how to make your header transparent in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to make its header transparent, click on Edit Website button. This is my website built using Hostinger website builder, and before making this header, this website header transparent, let's give this website a visit. As you see, this website header background is white. Now to make it transparent, it's simple. Just select the header section and click on Edit Style. And next to transparent header, check this box and close this window. Update your website to publish this change live. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. To publish this change live, click on View Site, and now this is how to make your header transparent. As you see, since this section background photo is dark, let's change this section background photo to make this transparent header easy to see. Click on this section, click on Edit Section, and now instead of a photo, I will go with a color. Let's pick a white or a slightly white, or let's go with a photo, 3 images. Let's pick this image, click on Add to Photo, and update your website. Let's view my website live, and now my transparent header started looking cool. And this is how to make your website header transparent in Hostinger website builder. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like.